everyone and welcome to another video. Today we will look at the contents of the box with the Orc Warrior bust from Hera Models. This figure is made of a high quality resin and comes in several large and well crafted parts. If you like fantasy figures with very high quality workmanship, then this video is for you. So let's get right to it. First, let's look at the packing itself. The box is sturdy cardboard, and on the front we find a beautiful painted version of the bust, called box art. At first glance, it is clear that this will be a massive and impressive miniature. The design of the packing is simple but impressive. It is dominated by an illustration of the finished bust, which perfectly shows how the figure can look after painting. Let's open the box and see what we find inside. The bust consists of 7 large parts. Body, massive with well-modeled muscles and road surface details. All parts are cast from resin, which is high quality and strong. The pieces are dominated by large surfaces and massive shapes, which means they will be easy to work with and will not break easily. There are no extremely fine or fragile details here, so the bust will be suitable even for those who do not have experience with gluing very small parts. Head with typical sharp orcs features, prominent scars and massive teeth. This bust is made for experimenting with colors. You can play with different skin tones, scars, war paintings, or effect of wear on weapons and armor. The large surface on the model will allow for easy blending and working with contrasts, which will be appreciated by both beginners and advanced painters. Axe, a massive and heavy weapon that perfectly matches the strength of the Orc Warrior. At first glance, you can see that the casts are clean without any major bubbles or blemishes. Of course, as with any resin, a little preparation may be needed, like cleaning of joints or remove of any fine lines from the molds. But overall, the quality looks great. Shield, robust and battle-worn. It looks like it has been through a lot of battles. Lower jaw, a separate part that gives the bust a raw and combative expression. Two pieces of bone necklace give the figure even more character and atmosphere. Additionally, if you would like to add your own customizations, the size and layout of the bards make this bust a great piece to work with. For example, you can add additional details such as leather straps, shield ornaments or blood effects on the eggs. So let's summarize. 7 large and detailed parts. High quality resin without small fragile parts. Massive and impressive design. Great figure for painting and customization. If you are looking for a fantasy bust that has strength, character and good dose of battle atmosphere, the piece from Hera Models is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and write in the comments if you would like to see more unboxing or painting tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.